Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And the other day, somebody asked me how to draw fish scales, and I drew one and showed people how to do it. Well, I actually found a better way. If you will hold down your control button and draw a perfect circle, I just happened to draw 1 inch, and that's what I wanted. I'm going to change my nudge factor to 1 inch. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to right arrow key over a couple. I hit the board, so it quit working. Now I'm going to set my nudge factor on a 1/2 inch, 0.5. Control D and make a duplicate and move down and over. That's all you need to do. And the reason this helps Corel is because it doesn't have to do so many. Now we're going to take a virtual segment delete key and delete those circles. Now our item is 1 inch tall. Set your nudge factor back to 1 inch. Control D and make a duplicate and move it down and make as many as you want. And this is really a lot better way because you've got really a square item. And the reason we were going to do it before, let's go ahead and go to group, and we can change. You could have done it before. Change the thickness and the color of the line. And the reason we were doing this was to power clip it into a shape. So you just take in ellipse, holding down the control button, make it perfect. Grab your item that's grouped together, go to Object, Power Clip, place inside frame, and then put that arrow inside your frame, and you've got a fish scale inside of a circle. You could have it inside of a fish. You could rotate it. You know, we had problems the other day rotating things. But anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.